As of my last update in June 2023, Add a Poll is a mobile app that allows users to participate in surveys and earn rewards for sharing their opinions. To use Add a Poll, you can follow these steps. Download the app. Search for Add a Poll on the App Store, iOS, or the Google Play Store, Android, and download the app to your mobile device. Create an account. Once the app is installed, open it and sign up for a new account. You may need to provide some basic information about yourself during the registration process. Complete your profile. To receive relevant surveys, it's essential to complete your profile. This might include details about your age, gender, occupation, interests, and more. Take surveys. After setting up your account and profile, Add a Poll will match you with available surveys based on your demographics and interests. You'll receive notifications when new surveys are available for you to participate in. Earn rewards. For each completed survey, you'll earn rewards, which can be in the form of cash, gift cards, or other incentives, depending on the specific survey and its sponsor. Redeem rewards. Once you accumulate enough rewards, you can redeem them for the rewards offered by the platform. The redemption options may vary and could include PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, or other choices. Stay active. Add a Poll often has a limited number of survey slots available, so it's good to check the app regularly for new opportunities. Being an active participant can increase your chances of getting more surveys. It's worth noting that app features and user interfaces may change over time, so the steps above might be subject to modifications. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on how to use Add a Poll, it's best to refer to the app's official website or the App Store page.